I get tired a lot, but I never get tired of it. Because for me, I remember when I was a little kid, and I used to sit there and think about how lucky I would be if someday people cared about the words that I wrote. Or how lucky I would be if someday I was just walking through the mall and saw some little girl walking by with my face on her shirt. And when you spend so much time daydreaming about things like that, when that actually happens, you don't ever complain about it, you know? It's like, when I go to a restaurant, yeah, I know that a line is probably going to form in front of the table, but didn't I always used to wish for that? Yeah, I did. So it's like, I never want to be the girl who wanted something so bad her whole life, just wanted one thing, and then gets it and complains about it. I'm not going to be that girl.
Shuvi, are you ready? Ano ba? Shuka. Yes. Mga puso at kapamilya, we have Bianca and Shuvi with Justin. Bumelo pa yan, bumelo pa yan. 3, 2, 1. River and Dustin in 3. River Ay, syempre, Josh! Yes, Josh! Gabi! Gabi! Alisin na mo. Let's give it up for Miss AZ! Alam mo, Vince, hindi ka makakatakas. Vince, kaya si Joseph, you're ready na. Pero syempre dahil ayaw natin makasagot yung mga housemate, pwede kong alisin yung pantaas. Kung gusto nyo lang. Siya lang, ewan lang. Salot ka naman. Brewski, bro! Bro! Yes, bro! Let's give it up for Josh!